What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we got to talk about the manipulation that's happening in the cryptocurrency market. Pi is down 26% on the day after seeing a new all-time high yesterday, breaking nearly $3. The manipulation began, and we're seeing downward pressure, and it's looking like it's very artificial as they're making people capitulate and lose out of their positions. Now, remember, as always, never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to the channel. Pi is currently sitting at $1.93 after rallying nearly $3. It was hovering right around 298 for a few hours in the last 24 to 48 hours and has since began its downturn. But remember, don't only look at PiCoin, but look at what's happening in the global cryptocurrency market. There is some breaking news coming in, of course, in addition, that is causing the entire crypto and stock market alike to begin to plummet. Look what's happening in crypto. Bitcoin below 80,000 for the first time since 2024. 3 months of gains, almost 4 months of gains completely wiped out of the market. BTC down 19%, Ethereum down 24.5%, XRP down 24.5%, Solana 27% in the red. So, why is crypto falling and what is going on? Well, you guys need to understand, first and foremost, aside from all the macroeconomic things and the macroeconomic climate that has been causing a lot of consolidation in crypto and a little bit of a downtrend, ever since Jerome Powell came out earlier in February and even end of January saying we shouldn't expect as many rate cuts as the market had priced in 2024 going into 2025. We were expecting significant rate cuts to go hopefully below 2%, keeping inflation lower, but unfortunately the market decided it's not quite time yet. Before we dive into the news to talk about why the market is going down, remember there's a link down below for the MindPi app. You can use the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to go ahead and begin earning Pi for free. Doesn't charge you a single penny. Just got to go ahead and check out the link down below. You get an extra 25% yield when you use that referral link, and then you can share it with family and friends to also start gaining more and more Pi. And there's always a link down below for Moomoo. Get your 30 free stocks, up to 30 for free when you sign up for Moomoo. So sudden $1 trillion crypto market shock sees Bitcoin plunge under 80,000 in price. This is from Forbes. They said Bitcoin has plunged under $80,000 per Bitcoin as the crypto rout that's wiped 1 trillion from the combined market gathers pace, fueling fears of more pain to come. The Bitcoin price is down about 25% from its all-time high of 110,1096, I believe, crashing back as insiders warn Bitcoin price suppression. And that's what we need to discuss today, is that suppression that is caused artificially from institutional investors, big retail whales that are pushing the price down for crypto and PiCoin. Now, as traders are warned not to buy the dip, analysts are predicting how deep the Bitcoin price prediction could go and if it will escalate into, price correction could go, and if it can escalate to a full-blown market crash. Remember, bear market territory, when you look at the global markets, is going down by 25% from all-time high. Right now, we've entered bear market territory, but I think what we're seeing is actually not a bear market territory, but instead a bear market trap. We see that in crypto cycles, especially during bull markets, where the market gets suppressed artificially so they can allow other people in, whales, other institutions, other big financial investors that are not talking millions of dollars, they're talking billions and billions of dollars that they're trying to enter in and bring in liquidity. Right now, we know all the longs have basically been wiped out when Bitcoin fell below 80K. If we fall below $70,000 for BTC, we can continue to expect more liquidations and then more of bearish tones until we see what the Feds do in March. But for PiCoin, in my opinion, right now, it's nothing but a buy the dip opportunity. Dollar cost averaging has always proven as the best strategy in the markets. Pi down 24% on the day, to me, just means you're getting at a 24% discount compared to yesterday. So if you were sidelined looking at Pi going to $3 and you're like, man, I wish I got in below 2, well, here's your opportunity. And here's your chance. You got to make sure you double down as the market is fearful. That's how you become a savvy investor. So if we look here a little bit and you guys see the overall fear and greed index in the market, we have entered into the fear stage and entering into even extreme fear. I'm gonna move the screen a little bit here so you guys can kind of see where our current sentiment is. This is the lowest the fear and greed index for Bitcoin has been, or excuse me, for the entire crypto market per CMC since basically it was introduced on this platform in June of 2023. The lowest sentiment means the biggest opportunity because remember, you look at the big investors historically, Warren Buffett, BlackRock, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, you name the institution, they always have been known to 100% buy the fear and sell the greed. So right now we saw extreme greed, which was 92 for BTC back in March of 2024. And now we're seeing the yearly low of fear at 20 to 21. So for me, this here is a lifetime opportunity for people to start buying up the dip. And if you're not a pie holder or you're not someone that's interested in pie, look at the overall market. There's a lot of opportunity presenting itself. But I think right now, one of the biggest ones is a cryptocurrency that's only 8 days old with an over 60 million holder base community, and that is Pi. That's why I'm so bullish on it. It's one of the most decentralized communities they've been building for the last 6 years. I emphasize that because its longevity is more than the majority of cryptocurrencies that are available right now for people to trade. It's proven itself. It works. Decentralization is, in fact, it's functional. It has full functionality, and more so than anything else, smartphone mining is extremely innovative and it has the first mover advantage. So take advantage of the time right now. Continue to buy the dip. Do not let them sell your tokens here. Can PiCoin still reach $10, $100, $1,000? I don't think anything is off the table, but the market needs to rebound. And until then, this will be a continued buy the dip opportunity. And just remember, just because today is a red day and previous days have been green, it doesn't mean that we have found a true floor yet. For me, I'm eyeing between $1.80 to $1.90 as an entry point, and also between $1.45 and $1.60 as a potential next floor. We'll see if we test higher lows and higher highs, which would be extremely bullish in terms of technical analysis. Right now, we're entering oversold territory as RSI has fallen below 30. So make sure you guys stay doubled in. Make sure you're focusing in and looking at the overall sentiment. We're seeing big red candles form on PiCoin. But again, for me, this is nothing but a buy the dip opportunity. I appreciate you guys' support as always. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Remember, there's always going to be that link, as I mentioned, for Mine Pi. Start getting your Pi. The best part about this token is you don't even have to buy it on exchanges, but instead you can double down and start utilizing the mining app to yield yourself some Pi for free. All it takes is for you to download the app, let it work on the background, 100% passive income. So if you're trying to diversify your portfolio with mining-based cryptocurrencies like Pi, always check out the link down below. I appreciate you guys' support. Heading out now, and until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.